Hi there, and good morning. Hope you're doing okay. I'm here to talk about my small startup idea. I also have a small proof of concept project that I'm going to demonstrate to you shortly. If you are a developer out there, I have a small question for you. How do you create a service? First, you start with an idea. Then, you choose a programming language and you create your project. Once done, you usually pick one of the hosting providers like AWS and Azure, and you usually host your service with them. You could also use services like GitHub Pages and AWS S3 if you have only static pages. Or you could also use website builders, which can help you with common themes such as setting up a payment gateway or logging. However, if your idea does not fall under any of these business use cases, then chances are that you would have to roll out your own solution. Creating your own solution is obviously hard because now you not only have to rent servers, but you have to code those extra pieces. You have to maintain sessions, certificates, you have to probably purchase a domain, you have to maintain databases, and you have to set up emails, and there are all sorts of stuff that you usually need to make a personalized service or a website. Here comes the main issue. Now you are spending more time on maintaining your infrastructure rather than working on your project. Pods is an intended solution to this problem. With Pods, you can create your project without worrying about any infrastructure. You can choose any language you want, and our engine will take care of running that. It will also take care of handling sessions, scaling your applications, or providing any other needs that your application might have. For this demonstration purpose, I have downloaded these three projects from the Bootstrap website. These are plain simple HTML projects, and let me open one of them and show how it looks like. As you can see, this is a very nice template which Bootstrap has provided, and there are many pages in this. I'm now going to run that same website in my service. As you can see, my service is right now running locally. For Pods, you design your service to serve only one user. This means you do not have to worry about any user information or session data. Pods is going to create and maintain sessions for you. For your scaling needs, Pods is automatically going to multiply your project into several containers or instances and will serve customers on demand. Here I am going to show you how our engine can host and run the same project. First, I am going to go to the landing page. The landing page may take several seconds to load the plugin. The project is going to look and feel the same. If I go to any other page, you will notice that the URL changes. This proves that our engine is effectively running this project. As proof of concept, we have shown you a simple HTML and JavaScript project. Future developments include creating projects in PHP, Python, Java, and Node.js. We will try and support as many languages as we can, but the idea remains the same. Pods Plugin Engine is a platform which allows you as a developer to focus more on your project, and we work on the infrastructure to support your project. The use case used in proof of concept may seem very simple and unappealing to you. But combine that with two other Pods service and then you will start to see the whole picture. Pods altogether is a huge platform which allows anyone to sell and distribute digital content. Pods has three main components: Pods Developer Console, Pods Store, and Pods Plugin Engine, which we just saw now. To see end-to-end flow, let's take an example. Suppose you want to create a project which can put watermark in images. You create the project. Using Pods Developer Console, you can upload that project. Once uploaded, you can play around using sandbox mode and you can observe metrics. You can manage your payments and you can provide customer support in that. From Developer Console, once you release your plugin, it is going to live into Pod Store. Your customers can then come to the Pod Store and can buy, subscribe, rate your product, or provide you feedbacks. Pod Store is then going to utilize Pod's plugin engine to launch your plugin and to manage sessions, to handle scaling, and to handle caching and certificates, everything. To give you an idea of what the end product might look like, here is a sample of Pod Store. Pod Store is supposed to be the one-stop shop for all your digital contents. Your plugins are ultimately going to reside in this store. Here your customers can search, purchase, and rate your content. Here are some of the contents that are displayed right now. Pods allows you to log in and search any content you like. After the user visits your page, they can purchase or get your content for free. Among other things, your user can also rate your content. Pod supports all the basic functionality provided by any shopping site, including notifications, wishlist, cart, profile management, and a library. After you purchase an item, you can find that item in your library. Once you find the item in library, you can just double click that item and then you can play that item. Right now, the item is only available for download, but your plugins will be launched directly from here.